Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a small pond in a container. So stick around to find out, and I hope you enjoy the video. that's it. The mini pond is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this little project, and if you have any questions, I'll try to answer as best as I can. See you next time. Bye bye.